Hey yo, what's good with y'all? You know what I'm saying? We back at it again.
They say shawty, I don't wanna say.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all probably wondering what Bando eats, you know what I'm saying, after his gym or just regular, or like y'all probably wondering what I be eating and shit, what I be putting in my body to make me feel the way I feel right now, you know what I'm saying? Very energetic. So first we got some almond milk. You know what I'm saying? This right here. This right here is not heavy. It's very light. This is the shit you want to put in your body. You know what I'm saying? We got a banana. You know what I'm saying? We got some yogurt. You know what I'm saying?
28
It has
grams, bro. It's crazy.
28 grams of protein. This is the shit that you want to build muscle, bro. We got some berries. You know what I'm saying? Slap that shit like some ass. We got some goddamn strawberries. You know what I'm saying? And the final part, we got
It's protein part.
the protein part. Yeah, it's the protein part. This right here is gonna keep your body very strong. It's gonna keep your body very it's gonna isolate your body into a structured body. You know what I'm saying? The body, this right here, this don't, for all my fat motherfuckers out here, you know what I'm saying? This is the shit you want to eat. You know what I'm saying? You don't need no Burger King. You don't need no goddamn McDonald's. You don't need no chicken nuggets. This is the shit you need. So yeah, I'm about to make this, and I'm about to show y'all what, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to make it for me and my boy Caesar. So yeah, let's get started.
All right.
Up into pieces.
Do we do half or everything? Half or all?
No, all of it.
All right.
All of it. Of course, you want to put your berries in. Berries, you know, I ain't gonna lie, berries are very good for your body, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, you leave out the house with a little some of this, and your body will feel like energetic as fuck. So, slice strawberry, you know what I'm saying? I'm always eating the pieces of strawberries, but today we're eating slice. All right, so we might as well use the rest of this milk.
Yeah. You don't got like,
That smells good, I ain't gonna lie.
you don't got protein, but it's like low in calories, so you don't like.
It is, don't remember, guys, this is not fat.
30 calories per serving, and you know how much to regular milk had? 180, bro.
Bro,
That's like 5 times.
Bro, let's
We
compare.
show him? Yes, let's show him, bro.
Yeah, let's compare the milk.
Let's show him, bro.
Y'all not understanding what the fuck we saying.
150, bro, per serving.
150 calories.
Like 1 cup, and that's like 30 calories per cup.
What is it? Woo, yes, sir. This is where we need the ice, my brother.
Just take it up and place it.
Boom. This is where you need the ice, y'all.
Alright, that's it. Right? Oh, no, bro. You think that's. Oh, no, bro. It looks.
Open it first.
Just.
There, it's good, it's good.
Ice crush, huh? Oh, damn!
That's what we want. That's what we want. This is what you want in your body. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! There's your smoothie. Wow! Come on. Let's see how that just look now.
Oh, bro. Look how thick that shit is, bro.
Woo!
Damn, bro. I'm not even kidding, bro. This is good as fuck.
Yeah.
We just have to blend it more yourself. But this is what you need, bro. I can already feel the gains.
They say wild, I had to be my pins. Couple years, bitch, I can't feel my brain, feel like I'm in a maze. Bitch, I'm in a maze, still like I wanna fuck with me, cause I don't wanna let that bitch to death.